Hey educators, Jason from Makera here with another lesson and design challenge for your classroom. For this project, we're challenging students to learn about Archimedes as we create our own mechanical ellipsographs and tools like the Trammel of Archimedes. This is definitely a more challenging project, but as always, one that can be adapted and modified in a lot of different ways to suit your resources and the needs of your students specifically. As with all of our lessons, you can download a lesson plan with pacing guides, learning objectives, outcomes, and standard aligned instructional strategies from our wiki and knowledge sharing resources. We also created a handout and example rubric to support students as they engage with this project. So here's the problem statement. While we have many computer-driven tools that allow us to create precise designs and technical drawings today, early engineers like Archimedes needed to find their own ways to do the same. One such method was the Trammel of Archimedes, which is a tool that converts rotational motion to linear motion, allowing for mathematically perfect ellipses to be drawn, something that really could never be achieved by freehand. Centuries later, you are now challenged to solve this problem around the specifications and constraints of a real-world design challenge. Possible constraints for this challenge may include: you must design and develop a solution through the steps of an engineering design process. Your prototype must be made using at least one CNC production technique. Your prototype must have at least 3 parts. Your prototype must also include instructions on how it is to be used with accuracy. We've created an extensive tutorial on how an example Trammel of Archimedes can be made using Makera and the Carvera Air desktop CNC. We've also shared 2 different files, a simpler one that uses a range of materials and simpler 2D design and post-production steps, as well as the more complex one that will require some different post-production steps in order to find success. And always consider using different prototyping machinery and materials that you might have available that your students can engage with as they create their prototype solutions in design challenges like these. We can't wait to see what your students create, and please share your projects and creations with us on the official Makera channels. Thanks for watching and happy making.